class. I gotta go a little faster. Alright. Common denominator would be what for this one? We have to multiply it by what? Remember, the common denominator is always going to be what they gave us in the beginning, which was x minus 1 squared. That's something that all three of these can go into. Alright, just looking at the first term, what's going to cancel out here? Yes, the top here and the bottom is going to cancel, so we're just going to be left with what? Yes, x squared plus 2x plus 7 equals. Alright, now I'm just looking at this term. What's going to cancel? Just the x. So it's going to be a times what? Good. X minus 1 what? Squared. Alright, now I'm just covering up everything but this b term. What's going to cancel out? Both of them? Just one, right? So there's going to be one left on top. So it's going to be b times x times 1x minus 1. So I'll put plus bx, x minus 1. Here, what's going to cancel out? Good. So what's left? cx. Good. Alright. So this side we're not going to change. We're just going to leave it the same. Yes, we have to full out x minus 1 times x minus 1. So I'm leaving the a on the outside. What's my first term squared? Or what's my first terms multiplied together? X squared. Outer? Inner? Good. Last? Plus 1. Good. Alright, now we can distribute this bx to both terms. That's going to give me what? And minus bx. Good. Plus dx. Zoom out a little bit. Alright, when I combine these like terms, that's going to give me what right here? Minus 2x. Good. I'm going to mark that out. Alright, leaving this side the same. Now we can distribute the a to everything. That's going to give us what? Keep going. Keep going. Plus a. Good. Bring everything else down. So plus bx squared minus bx plus cx. Now time to group them with things they have in common. So what do I group together first here? The x squared terms. Good. So I'll leave this side the same. Here I'll take out x squared, and what goes in the middle? Yes. I'm going to mark those terms out. So again, I brought out the x squared. Here's left a and plus b. Then I'm going to group together the terms with a what? Yes. So that would be... Good. So what is this term without the x? And the next term without the x? And the last term without the x. Good. I'm going to mark all those x terms out. What's left? There's something left. Good. Alright. Notice how both of these have x squared. So I can set a plus b equal to this coefficient, which is what? Did y'all miss that? Alright, these both have an x squared. So I can set a plus b equal to the number in front of x squared. 1. Right? Isn't there a 1 in front?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to underline the part that I just set equal to each other. A plus b equals 1. Now I can set all of this, negative 2a minus b plus c equal to what? 2. Good. Because this is the term with x on this side. This is the term with x on this side. So again, this is what I grouped together. And then the last terms that are left are a and 7, so I can set those equal to each other. So we got a. We just need b and c. What could I plug 7 in? The top equation. So I'll have 7 plus b equals 1. So I subtract 7 and get negative 6. Good. Then I can plug both of these into what? This one. So what's negative 2 times a? Good. What is a negative 6 going to make? What is negative 14 plus 6? Negative 8. Good. And now so C is 10. Good. Alright. So we have all of our variables. Now we can write our final answer. So pretty much all you're doing is replacing these tops with the numbers, correct numbers. So it's going to be what over x? 7 over x minus 6 over x minus 1 plus 10 over x minus 1 squared. That's it. We can. Y'all are going to do it. Alright, so any questions about these types of problems when there's repeated factors in the bottom? I want you to do D on your own. Of course, you can ask people for help around you, or you can ask me for help.